Meta new AI Muse is automatically enabled to use anybody's picture online to create AI generated picture. In this video, I am going to show you how to disable that particular AI or that particular feature from making use of your own pictures or photos or content to create AI generated image. And this particular video is very important for everyone that makes use of Instagram. I'm going to do a different one for WhatsApp. So to disable this particular feature from using your images or photos, click on your profile image and then go over to the menu by clicking on the top right hand area and then wait for it to load up. And once this loads up, scroll down a little bit to where it says sharing and reuse. You click on sharing and reuse. Now scroll down a little bit to the section where it says allow people to reuse your content on Instagram with AI features at Meta. Now go ahead and disable this because this is actually enabled automatically. If you disable this on photo, on post, it means that people cannot make use of your post or to generate AI images. And also if you disable this on Reels, then your post and your Reels are not going to be used. And this is all you need for this particular video purpose. When you disable this, the Meta AI is no longer going to be able to use your image or your post and your Reels to generate AI images, which is actually what Meta actually designed it for. We are going to discuss this a bit deep in a different video, but today I just want to show you guys how to do this. And also let me check if this have actually removed or if it's still active on my account. Yes, this has been successfully removed. You can see it is disabled. So make sure your own account is looking like this. If not, someone else can actually make use of your post to generate AI images, and which can also put you in trouble. So to stay safe, make sure your account is also like mine. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.